All right, we have a sea monkeys on Mars update, and this sea monkeys on Mars is just full of sea monkeys. And I have sea monkeys magic castle and only one survived. So from what I hear, the female will eat the others. So does that mean these are all males? If anybody knows how this works, please let me know in the comments, because I find it weird that I would have no females, but I guess it's possible. So I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. Let's see. You guys can kind of see what I got going on here. And I really need to wipe down the cage so you guys can see these better. So we got a couple over here, and they do kind of vary in size. There's one, it looks like it might be eating from the bottom of the cage here. Is that what he's doing? And there's little ones. So I guess they eat from the whatever's on the bottom, and that's why you don't have to, like, I guess, clean the cages. I don't know. Like, they're very, very low maintenance. I guess we'll call them pets. I don't know. I picked these up in a thrift store mystery box, and I decided to just go ahead and hatch the eggs. And this is what the outcome is. And look, there's little ones, which is weird because if I have new ones that are small, that would mean I have to have females, right? So I don't understand. And that one is that its eyeballs moving? Right there, little eyeballs. So you guys, let me know in the comments what is happening with this guy right here. Sorry, I've got it zoomed in ultra focus, so it looks very odd. And then what is that glob to the left? Oh my goodness, what is happening? It could be maybe feces. I don't know. So they're definitely interesting little creatures, but they're easy, they're fun. You just feed them and they swim around. So very low maintenance pet. I just thought they'd be fun to hatch and do little updates for you guys and record them, and I guess watch them swim around. So here they are. And again, go check out my other video of the female that I have. She, I believe, is pregnant, and it looks like she has a sack of eggs hooked to her body. So hopefully those will be hatching soon, and there'll be some babies over there. But my question is, again, I've done no research. Is she going to eat the babies? I don't know. Like, I've not understood why this cage has all of these sea monkeys and that cage has literally one. So just very weird how that worked out. This guy's really big. He's really cool. Oh, that's a big guy too. So they're definitely different sizes, and I only put one thing of eggs in, so I guess they're reproducing, because I don't know any other explanation for the difference in sizes, which makes no sense because they say that the females will eat the other ones. Somebody in my Facebook group told me that I will have to remove the females or they will eat the other ones. So I don't know. I have not removed anything, and these are all living just fine together. So don't know. No, on the instructions, it did not say that I had to remove anything. There's some little guys, they're living just fine with the big guys. So again, if anybody wants to leave me some comments on how sea monkeys work, feel free. I am going to continue to let them live together. They are doing well, they're thriving, they're happy. The other one, like I said, is just one single sea monkey I thought I saw another one, but I think now it might have been floating debris. I think the other one is pregnant, so hopefully there'll be some babies in there soon and I can do an updated video, and hopefully it doesn't eat them. But yeah, we're just gonna let nature take its course. So again, this is Sea Monkey on Mars. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If you like these videos, let me know. And I will continue to do updates on these cute little guys. And if you want to name them, go ahead and put the names that you like in the comments. So they're interesting how they swim, right? Pretty cool. So thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. And sea monkeys on Mars. There you have it. And of course, I'm ending the video and they all went, there they are. They all went behind the rock. Look at them go. Look at them swimming away. Pretty cool, right?